Cold, cold world. Yeah.
Back to my channel. My name is Anonymous. Today I'm back with another unboxing video. So today we will be unboxing Ipsy. This is the Ipsy Glam Plus box for the month of June. I did just receive this box today and I am totally excited to see what's inside. So we're gonna get right into the unboxing video if I could ever open the box. So once again, it says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. I love that slogan. Don't ever try to fit in with other people and what they are doing. I always try to go for your own thing. That's what I do. I always go for what I like, not what nobody else like. So, block party. Welcome to the block party is what it says today. So we're gonna open it up and see. It says your glam bag to-do list, which is just do tutorials or whatever. But what I love about Ipsy is it gives you all the information on the products that's inside of your box or your bag. And this is really, really helpful because you want to know what's inside of the bag and information outside of what's on the packaging. So I'm just gonna start. I'm gonna pull out as I see them on the brochure. So the first thing on here is the Farrah brushes. It is a 5-piece eye perfection set, and I am so ecstatic to be receiving brushes because I have been dying to do makeup and get into my makeup, but I haven't had the proper tools. That is one reason why I subscribe to Ipsy, to get my collection going, because when you're new into makeup, it's so many people. Makeup can be so demanding, or makeup or skin care. It's not just about makeup. I want to develop a skincare routine, so I decided why not get Ipsy. They have makeup, skincare, and all of that stuff to help you get, when you like me, you don't know what to buy. It helps you to just get some products up under your belt, experience some different things. So this is 5 brushes. They feel really, really good. If you know me, you know I am a sucker for brushes. I love makeup brushes. Even though I really don't wear a lot of makeup, I love makeup brushes. So these are really, really nice, and it tells you on the side what kind of brush this is. This brush right here is a 65E large shading brush. This brush right here is a 3 mini taper blending brush. This brush right here is a 205 Fly Wings brush. This brush right here is a 35E tapered blending brush. And this brush right here is a 6 short shading brush. So I'm very, very glad to receive these. They are so pretty and sturdy already. I love brushes, and the packaging say, be beautiful, be you. That is the #1 goal for me. Be yourself. Be beautiful in your own way. You don't have to do everything that everyone else is doing in order to be beautiful. So the next thing in the box is CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream by Sunny Riley. I never used hydration cream before, so we gonna see how this go. It smells really good. It smells like orange, and it looks really, really thick. So it don't seem like you need a whole lot of this product, but it says, with a commitment to clean formulas and pure, effective ingredients, Sunday Riley makes products you can feel good about using. This moisturizer is infused with ultra potent vitamin C to help fight skin damage and visibly brighten your skin while adding a dewy, luminous glow. It says massage into skin in the AM and in the PM. So like I said, I did use this before I started this video because like I said, I'm trying to develop a skincare routine. I did a face mask this morning and I used this hydrating cream on my face when I got done, and as you can see, it gave me a nice little glow. The next thing we have, which I am so excited about, I love face masks. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say it, but I'm trying to develop a skincare routine. So I received these masks and I'm so excited about face masks. Okay, so this is a Tula Skincare Major Glow Cooling and Brightening Sheet Mask. This is a three piece. This is a set of 3, and then on the paper it states that the value is $26 for a set of 3. And it says all of Tula Skincare's superfood probiotic pack formulas are developed to bring out your best, most radiant skin. This mask has a healthy dose of vitamin C to help brighten, papaya to exfoliate and nix dullness, and the probiotic strain Lactocus ferment Lasta to hydrate. I hope I said that right. Are you beach bound? Use this mask after you get home. It makes for a super cooling and refreshing post-mask treatment. One tip they have stated on here is smooth each half of the mask over clean skin and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Remove the mask, then pat the remaining essence on it so that it absorbs into your skin. And I am so happy to use this. I actually may do this on camera for you guys to see the before and after. So the next thing we have in the box is this good old product right here, which is Tresque. I hope I said it right. I'm gonna let you guys see it better so you can see the name for yourself. I'm not sure if you still can see it, but I'm going to open it for you guys. So this is a matte color plus shiny balm lip crayon in Belize, Bordeaux, and Greenwich balm. I hope I said that right, but Tresque knows you're busy. That's why all of their products multitask as much as you do. With this dull-ended lippy, you can create endless looks on the go, from matte to obscure to sheer and glossy. It's got a creamy matte berry crayon on one end and a moisturizing balm on the other. That's interesting. Wear them alone, paired together, or with your other favorite lip products, your call. A tip: outline your lips using the tips of the matte lip crayon. Fill in your lips with the side of the crayon and blot. To take your lip from matte to shiny, add a swipe of the balm on top, or wear the balm alone for a sheer wash of shiny color. So I want to open this just to see, because I've never had anything like this. By the way, this color is Belize Bordeaux. I hope I said it right. And I opened it upside down. Typical me, huh? It's kind of weird how it comes. Like it already came apart. So this is how it's supposed to look. Like a jumbo size crayon. And then you take on the top, that is this is the magnetic sealing cup. And so this is the magnetic sealing cup. This is the lipstick. And this is the balm on the bottom. That's very interesting. So I don't know if you can use all 3 or just 2. But it says it's a magnetic sealing cap, so I'm guessing that This one just protects the lipstick. And I'm gonna do a swatch for you guys so you can see it's very, very pigmented. So the last but not least product in here that I'm liking so far is the Tetris plus Ipsy Block Party eyeshadow palette. It says we partner with iconic video game Tetris on its 35th anniversary to create a limited edition collection celebrating our different sizes, shapes, colors, and unique beauty. This shadow palette comes with 6 richly pigmented, velvety, buildable shades to create any eye look you want, from suitable to smoky to bold and beyond. So we're gonna see how this looks. I'm feeling the packaging is so pretty and unique. So, so cool. It has, I almost thought this was white. It looks white on camera, but it's actually not even white. It's like a brown shade, like a very neutral shade you can use for contouring or lid priming. I'm trying to get it to show up where you can see it. But for some reason my light is too bright, so you can't really see it that well. Maybe if I turn the light down, you can see it better. Okay, now you can see it a bit better because it did look white, how bright my light is. But the color that I like the most is this middle color right here, and it's called T-Spin. If you know me, as you can see, I'm a sucker for glittery things, and this is so pretty to me, so I can't wait to use this product. So I think that's so cool for Ipsy to collaborate with Tetris, because people don't really play Tetris anymore. So that was the last thing in the box. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button for more videos. Don't forget to comment down below for any other product that you would like to see me unbox. Thanks for watching.